Hi, friends. I'm Joel. If you're crazy about speaking English, you must watch this conversation till the end. I teach English in a very easy way that you can apply in your daily life.
Listen, speak, practice. Let's start.
Do you have fresh apples? Do you have fresh apples?
Yes, we have fresh apples in the fruit section. Yes, we have fresh apples in the fruit section.
How much is 1 kilo of grapes? How much is 1 kilo of grapes?
It's $3 per kilo. It's $3 per kilo.
Is this watermelon sweet? Is this watermelon sweet?
Yes, it's very sweet. Yes, it's very sweet.
Do you have fresh milk? Do you have fresh milk?
Yes, we have fresh milk in the cold section. Yes, we have fresh milk in the cold section.
Where can I find butter? Where can I find butter?
Butter is in the dairy section. Yeah. Butter is in the dairy section. Yeah.
Do you sell yogurt? Do you sell yogurt?
Yes, we sell yogurt in small and big packs. Yes, we sell yogurt in small and big packs.
How much is this cheese? How much is this cheese?
It's $5 for one block. It's $5 for one block.
Do you have orange juice? Do you have orange juice?
Yes, orange juice is in the fridge. Yes, orange juice is in the fridge.
Is this juice fresh or packed? Is this juice fresh or packed?
It's fresh, not packed. It's fresh, not packed.
Where is the ice cream section? Where is the ice cream section?
Ice cream is in the frozen section near the back. Ice cream is in the frozen section near the back.
Do you have frozen peas? Do you have frozen peas?
Yes, frozen peas are in the freezer section. Yes, frozen peas are in the freezer section.
How much is this chicken? How much is this chicken?
It's $6 per kilo. It's $6 per kilo.
Is this chicken fresh? Is this chicken fresh?
Yes, the chicken is fresh. Yes, the chicken is fresh.
Do you sell beef? Do you sell beef?
Yes, we sell beef in the meat. Yes, we sell beef in the meat section.
Do you have fish today? Do you have fish today?
Yes, fresh fish is available today. Yes, fresh fish is available today.
How much is the mutton per kilo? How much is the mutton per kilo?
It's $10 per kilo. It's $10 per kilo.
Where can I find tea? Where can I find tea?
Tea is on aisle number 3. Tea is on aisle number 3.
Do you have coffee powder? Do you have coffee powder?
Yes, we have coffee powder in different brands. Yes, we have coffee powder in different brands.
How much is this packet of biscuits? How much is this packet of biscuits?
It's $1 for one packet. It's $1 for one packet.
Is there any special offer on snacks? Is there any special offer on snacks?
Yes. Buy one get one free on chips. Yes. Buy one get one free on chips.
Do you sell chocolate bars? Do you sell chocolate bars?
Yes. We have many chocolate bars. Chocolate bars. Yes. We have many chocolate bars.